Hello gentlemen, Prime Beef speaking to you here from this little vacation spot. As you know, I like to have a bit of quiet once we've done a bit of a mission, and this last run in the jungle was a fucking doozy. Just to recap, before I show you part 2 of this little fucking... I can't even think of a name of it. Any case, we left off where Field Command told us, follow the sound of the gunfire. Now fuck me, human nature say, run away from the sound of the gunfire, don't go towards the fucking things. Any case, that's what we did. We went towards the sound of the gunfire. Now another little point I want to make, my buddy for this little round was kill the fucking Joy, our head doctor. Now how the fuck you ended up as pointsman with me in the scout position, that's something for the fucking logbook. Because you see, the Tampax stiffies are normally in the back with Field Command, and then just rushes in and come and stitches up. Hey, no disrespect here guys, never look down on a medic. You never know when you're gonna fucking look up at him, huh? All groaning, I'm fucking hurting. Yeah, fucker saved my life many a times. Any case, point I wanted to make is, this boyo found himself in the front, where the lead meets the flesh, and as you'll see, things got a bit fucking hairy. Guys, enjoy. Move towards the gunshots, he said.
This is Eagle to the ground teams. We are moving off.
Time slowed down, let's all get together.
Copy, we're moving to the big rocks in front.
Copy, we'll meet you there.
Copy.
Prime, Creston, just get eyes on the other side.
Copy, trying to get eyes on. Killjoy, I'm going up.
Got a overturned tick in a ditch here towards our northeast. If it's occupied, shoot occupants. No occupants. Target location. Oh, we're taking heavy fire at our location.
Fire's coming from the east.
Killjoy, you can grenade that if you want. Grenade out.
Short. Adjust up about 20 meters. That's close to target.
Eyes on campfire near that fire.
Be advised, Prime's flanking right.
Killjoy flanking left.
Left. Go Killjoy when you're
It's a bunker, it's a bunker.
Nade out.
Gunners down, gunners down.
After that, Killjoy moving up to location to clear. Everyone consolidate and clear that area. And give me all up.
Yeah.
Alright, scavenge grenades and meds if you guys can. We're going to move from here directly southwest to the beachfront. Once we hit the beach, we need to get our target.
Shots fired.
Contact right. Contact south.
Contact down.
Be advised, we're going to be moving on the path going west.
Okay, Killjoy, come back.
Shots west. Guys, once you guys have scavenged what you want, we need to be moving on this path to the west back to where we came from. Follow the path all the way to the beach.
Target down.
Contacts.
Target down.
Alright guys, fire discipline, check your rounds and let's get moving. Guys, fire maneuver west.
Killjoy.
Crane moving up. Let's get some suppressor fire down.
I need covering fire.
Heading to 7260, watch that side.
Doctor's in.
Prime's down, heavily wounded. I'm gonna need a medic.
Prime goes location.
Hold one. Location hot.
Killjoy also in. Suppressed here.
I got a weapon jam.
Grenade out.
Popped white smoke on our position. We're heavily suppressed, can't move. Sorry, Killjoy, I'm bleeding out. I got a patch.
It's fine. I'm taking guys out. I'm also bleeding out, but it's fine. Target down.
I got my legs sort of yellow.
Okay, so what status you guys up?
We're up, but we're heavily suppressed. We need support.
Copy that. Eagle is on spot northwest of our location, and I'm trying to get everybody up to your location now.
I'm like the only person shooting here.
I'm almost there, Killjoy, almost there.
Be advised, I'm probably going to go down soon.
Pop smoke. Let's smoke ourselves up. You got eyes on.
I need a medic. No, fuck.
I'm here, medic here. I've been shot in my arm.
Lie down, lie down, lie down.
I'm treating it.
I'm gonna bandage myself first.
Got an HMG to our front left.
Yeah, I'm just gonna treat myself.
How you doing, Killjoy? You good?
Yeah, just get guys.
I'll get a medic to you now.
Shooting and we're all medicing. Let's fucking fix that. That's an enemy, Prime.
Huh? No, I'm looking for bandages.
Try pointing his weapon like less than a meter away from your head.
I ran out of bandages. I'm trying to see if this guy's got
Yo, where's the
bandages. No, he's got fuck all.
Hey,
Nothing.
hey.
Are you good?
Yeah, I've stopped my bleeding. It's just I've lost
A
so
lot
much
of pain.
blood. I've lost
I
color.
don't think I can take another morphine, can I?
Race, when you finish with him, Killjoy is gonna need you as well.
Yeah, yeah. cover, Prime.
Eyes all around my head. Who's the friendly far out to the west?
That would be Ox. I just went and grabbed the RPG quickly.
Yeah, let us know, but I almost shot you in the ass.
Truck coming in from the west.
Empty truck full of troops.
Using double.
Watch your back first.
Are you holding out,
Who's this?
Killjoy?
Killjoy.
Oh!
Dot. Sounds like it's west.
Break, we got a truck.
Fragged out.
Medics down. I need a perimeter when I bring up medic.
Killjoy, what's your lookout?
Blue smoke.
Eyes on, I'm just leaving barrier here to get blood.
I need to patch. I'm stuck.
Yeah, we need perimeter, guys. I'm tending to medic. Okay, can someone else just fucking do this? Because no one's shooting back.
Did you hear all the shots I'm shooting, Killjoy?
Hold on, guys, so fast.
Is that truck burning, Killjoy? Off.
Okay, can somebody get on me and we can move around the left?
Okay, I'm coming. I'm still bleeding, but let's go.
Yeah, I'm up. So wounded.
Yeah, Prime, let's go this way. They're behind this little copy over here in front of us.
Ox, can you hold one? I just need to patch quickly. My leg is fucked. Fucking limping like a bitch. Yeah, I'm good. I can move.
Yeah, moving.
Let's not split off too far from our guys. Eh?
Yeah.
Just do a circle and see what fucking pops out here.
Okay, they've pulled back. Whatever was left must have been.
Alright, let's see if we can, there's something to scrounge here by the truck and get back to the guys.
Yeah, there's some bodies over here.
It's got nothing. Alright.
Cool, thanks.
Blood.
How are you guys doing? It looks clear for now.
Truck moving again.
Nah, it's Ox bringing the truck for cover.
Fucking hell, say that on the radio, please.
Who just went down?
We need a doctor at our location immediately. Medics has fallen down.
Copy on my way.
We got shots.
Stabilize.
I checked and they were dead. I must have checked like my ass. I got hit again. Fuck. What the fuck is shooting in front here, move?
I think it's a 50 car.
Okay, you keep eyes on that. I'm gonna go around your right, okay?
Draai so fast, jy's stable, ek steek jou net kry, jy kry.
Eagle to ground.
Right, check on you, need to be fine.
Ground leaders, WIA unconscious. Send message.
Yeah, what's your situation? Do you need air support? What's happening on the ground, over?
Alright, I'm back up. I've got comms. You'll be advised, ground team is under heavy contact, heavy casualties. We do need support. We're going to put blue smoke around our location. Contacts are going to be break.
Copy that. If you can put red smoke on hostiles, that would be appreciated. Over.
Alright guys, do that if you can. If you can
Blue
get
smoke out, I'll
that
pop
location.
red as well.
Where the hell is Barry? He's running from his own.
No,
I can confirm blue smoke.
Eagle, be advised. Blue smoke is friendly location. Blue smoke friendly location.
Friendlies are 10 meters to the west of blue smoke.
My head keeps fucking opening up.
Yeah, finally. Thank you, Rion.
Okay, tangos are to the west of red smoke.
Copy, west of red smoke.
What's our status?
Reloading.
Eagle 1, be advised. Additional contact red smoke to the south.
We need to move. We've been here for way too
Copy, south of red smoke. Contact. Over.
Alright guys, we need to move west. Are we all up?
no, I'm getting treated quickly.
Okay,
Security,
Prime,
security.
I'll be okay for at least 5 minutes. Prime
Okay.
and I will move up.
bleeding again.
You're free to use
I'm
that
bleeding again.
rocket fuel.
Not to get that negative.
Where's that truck?
This is Eagle to ground. I'm RTB. I gotta pick up my gunner. He fell out. Over.
Okay, stitching. Thank you, sir.
How many grenades you got left?
Guys, if you still got some blood, I could
Okay,
do with a little blood.
Good blood.
halfway.
You don't need stitching. It's fine.
No, Prime.
I'm repacking magazines while I'm doing.
3/4.
Be advised, Prime has got 1 mag and 3 bullets left.
Okay.
I've got ammo for you, Prime.
Okay, Prime, remove your tourniquets and you should be fine. We're
Okay.
gonna give him blood, eh?
Thank you.
Oh, okay, you should be feeling better soon if you don't. If
Let us know what you
blood,
guys have said.
come
We'll move to
here.
you.
Yes.
Fuck you, fucking cunts.
Fuck is that?
No, Dad!
Copy that. I'm on the crest. No eyes on anything just yet.
Look, I've-
Prime, we're moving to you guys.
Copy, I'm just getting a little blood being a vampire.
No, you can move. You can move.
Copy, let's go.
You can move while you want.
Prime.
Prime's
Yes,
right
you-
here.
I'm in bad, pulsating bad. Eh?
To get medical.
Oh, we went up the hill then.
Yeah, Ox, Para, Ox here, we've got eyes on the beach.
Copy that, we're moving to your location.
Right, I'm good.
Okay, copy. We've moved out directly west, eh?
Status on that big gun.
6 color at least.
No eyes.
Copy, no eyes.
Prime, point.
I'm here.
Alright, let's move. Move directly towards the beach, then we'll move along the beach to target area.
Point team moving out west. Prime. Prime, stay still,
Yep.
stay still.
Are you giving me ammo?
Yeah, your backpack's full. I'm gonna put it on the ground here.
Tails moving to your position.
Got eyes on old bunker.
Thanks, but
30 Stanag mags.
Down. The old bunker is to our south and to our northwest. Contact northwest west.
That concrete.
Rion, we got a casualty here.
On my way.
Alright guys, let's get hard points up top on this hill, get some eyes on those bunkers and contacts.
No eyes on Ox.
Target down, target down.
are we gonna go up to that? This one.
Alright, me, Morph and Rion are back here. You guys can move out towards that bunker, take that bunker and hold that position.
Killjoy Prime, point team moving out to the bunker.
Yeah, there's looks like there's a second bunker immediately right, eh?
Yeah, copy, we got eyes on that.
For that point team at the wall, permission to breach and clear.
Go.
Under that, Killjoy moving left. Flashbang going through the window.
I'm at the door. Going in.
Flashbang, go, go, go.
Going upstairs.
Get down, get down.
Yeah.
We got heavy MG southwest of bunker engaging through the windows.
Big bunker is clear, it's clear.
Okay, there's an MG just below us.
This one is clear.
Don't pick, don't go.
Coming past, coming past. Prime Killjoy, I'm outside.
Prime, hold that position. Rally's coming in.
Gunner down on that MG.
Right, guys, get out and move towards Prime to take the next bunker.
Okay, on your 6 prime.
Just waiting for Killjoy.
Killjoy, where are you?
Okay.
Killjoy before we move on.
There he is, he's on the ground. Is that a friendly over there, prime?
Where?
At the edge of the bunker on the outside.
Yeah, it might be him. I'm gonna go fetch him. Keep an eye on me.
Okay. Let me cover you.
Got you, buddy. I'm gonna pick you up, carry you out.
I want eyes on Killjoy, where's he?
We've got him, we're recovering.
Fetch him.
Gonna need a medic. He's bad.
You want to ground back on station, over.
Alright, I'm putting him down here.
Ground copy.
Thank you, sir.
Move to channel 2 again.
Alright, Mr. Killjoy.
Copy, we'll go.
I'll got the left leg, it's mine.
Okay. Barrack and Morph and I just check out the second bunker.
Yeah, you more from Prime can go. I'll stay.
Windows 6 oxy.
I'm on you.
Yeah, okay. There's some tents here in the corner. And there's 2 bunkers at the front.
Guys, do not go onto the beach. Eagle 1 is going to engage all targets on the beach, so do not go to the beach.
Okay, this complex consists of a camp, multiple tents, and no occupants.
Clear everything, just be advised, don't go to the beach. And Prime, I want you to check for any weaponry that we can lay charges on.
Copy that. Checking for weaponry.
A weapon jump.
Oh, fuck, I took a hit to the head there. Fuck me.
There's a guy by the house with a static machine gun. Prime's got eyes on a house on the beach with a static machine gun.
Yep.
He's down.
The village is occupied with hostile.
Copy that. You guys are free to engage. Just remember, do not go onto the beach.
I'm going out, move. Prone to paranoia. I got no eyes on a big gun or anything to blow up.
Copy that. Let's just keep clearing, stay off the beach. We'll get more information now.
Got eyes on the truck though.
That sounds like something you should shoot.
You wanna get past, sorry.
Yeah, let me just try and...
The truck is not occupied.
You see a big gun anywhere or something? Fuck. I need to get back to a medic. My blood's so low, I can't fucking do shit.
Guys, if you guys can put red smoke on targets for air, if you need them, you go right ahead, just advise when red smoke is out.
Oh, fuck.
Prime, Ox, did you guys copy that?
Copy that, scanning for targets.
That's the Prime.
Yeah.
That was good.
No,
It's
that's
probably you
Prime.
need to...
That's the
Yo, they're danger close. Infantry have moved up.
Okay, get back in behind. I'm gonna pop a red smoke for the chopper.
Almost finished.
No red smoke. Pop the white smoke for target location.
Copy, white.
Remove it in a case, bro.
Killjoy to Prime, what's your location?
Prime's in the second bunker to the northwest.
Roger that, approaching.
How's it, buddy?
Yo.
Fuck. You gotta go on a diet, you fucking heavy. Eh?
Be advised, you'll want his RTB, no air support.
Okay, copy. Alright, I've smoked up the house so we can move on to that location. It should be fairly safe.
I killed a lot of targets coming from outside the house.
Yeah. Well, I've just got smoke, so...
Shots to the east-northeast.
Prime to paranoia. No eyes on a major asset target. We got the house with a little shed. I don't know if there's something inside there or in front on the beach side of that.
Copy that, hold. Command's coming to your location, we'll make a decision then.
Alright guys, let's fall back to the bunker. Let's hold on for command.
Who's your buddy? Prime?
Barry, come back this side.
No, well, Prime was my buddy. He was right over here.
Check ammo, get ready. So once command gets here, we can move.
We have PS Prime.
Somebody can give me some more blood.
Guys, do we need air to engage the ground anyway?
Prime, just remove your tennis case.
It doesn't look like it at the moment, Para. It looks like we can move on to the village.
Okay, tourniquets off.
When you recalled us, some of the guys were halfway down already. So we should be fairly secure.
Alright guys, area's holding fire, we can move on the beach now.
Old one, Prime is being fucking pampered.
Copy that. Air be advised, we'll be moving in 30.
You should be feeling better.
Did somebody say they were out of ammo?
No, I got some. Killjoy gave me some.
Prime, let's move on. I'll take points.
So I've still got 4 mags.
Okay.
Got 4 mag.
Prime, remove
I
your
mean-
tourniquet from your arm, please.
Fuck, I forgot
Thanks,
about
Ray.
that one. Which one is it?
That's why
Oh,
you're in
there it
pain.
is.
Drop left arm. That's why you're in pain.
Yeah, well, I just tourniqueted and kept on fighting.
Okay, you're receiving blood. Okay, if you once you put in a morphine, you should be fine.
Alright, I'll gooi myself a morphine, thanks.
Stanag mags as well.
Yeah.
Negative on the morphine, I need a panado.
Okay,
Guys, let's move on the target location.
Prime, let's move on. I'm taking.
I'm old man, I'm pulsating, I'm in now.
Okay, you're good to go. Go.
Right, here I
Prime
come.
on me.
On your 6 Prime. Ready up.
On you.
Point C moving up to the building, permission to breach to the door, flashbang.
Breach.
Roger that.
Ox swinging left.
Stack right, I'll stack left.
Okay.
Let's watch these windows. There's no one in here.
Be advised, we've got clear windows, we've got no hostiles, saving the flash for now. Moving
Prime
in.
to paranoia, I got eyes on a weapons cache inside the house.
A firm, one's cleared, lay explosives, 2 times explosives on weapons cache.
Copy that.
We also have fuel and propane in the toilet shed next to the main house.
Copy that. Prime 2 bombs that location as well.
Copy, got that.
Doesn't remember there's on boats.
Be advised, we've got a laptop here and a radio, is this possible intel?
Investigate. Be advised the house
in the
has
building
got
with weapons cache, laptops over here.
Alright, just investigate that and just let me know.
Can't seem to do anything with it.
Okay. Charges are laid here. Where's the other targets?
They're in the yellow shed there, you can see them.
Yep.
Lead.
Send.
Be advised, I've recovered the hard drive.
that. Check the rest of the place once it's clear. Everybody move out north. Prime, confirm you've got your explosives laid.
Laying last one on the truck.
You guys are set. I want us to move on the path to the northeast to the next roadblock area. Once we're there, we'll blow the target.
Charges set.
Prime, on me. Be advised, point demolition team has moved out of the AO, ready to.
Copy that, hold. Alright guys, once we're all at the stop sign, we can blow, just advise. Count to 5. Alright, all clear, start countdown.
Give me 1 sec just to get to the wall.
Bunker gun, bunker gun.
Down.
Bunker 180, looks like he's down.
Prime detonating in 3, 2, 1. Final.
Correction.
Charges detonated, point team permission to move up on the bunk.
A-firm, move.
After that, Prime is... I'll take points. Whoa, 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 please check your fire, shrapnel.
You still got stunts. Papa couple over before we jump.
Flashbang going over.
Okay, let's go.
Clear.
Call it in.
Good, I got my stamina.
Be advised, bunkers are clear.
Copy that, move back, we're moving to the beach for extra.
Hello.
Unfortunately moved my stamina.
Are you doing the power walk? That's good, buddy. I'll walk with you. Point team coming in from the south.
Pop blue smoke.
Yes, there's Carols.
Can I pop smoke? A-firm, pop.
It's going out there. It's fine, it's already out. I'm fine, don't worry, I'm fine.
It got a bit hairy there at one stage.
What, you mean when I got ripped in half by a fist?
Who picked up that hard drive?
Killjoy.
The time for a quick tan.
Eagle coming in. And copy, good on board.
Commanders, the time for a quick tan.
Yeah, if you can get it in by the time the helicopter gets you, no problem.
Yeah, just don't leave your equipment behind, eh?
It's Boko Haram and she's showing an ankle.
Hello.
Alright guys, mine up.
Let's go, Killjoy, first up.
Rounds on.
I'm pretty good.
Prime up.
Ox on. One more right side.
You got one all in. All in.
Nice one, boys.